Empty your mind. You have been told that small wrists are a curse. You look at that skinny bone, you see how thin it is, and you think, it's hard for me to gain. I will never look truly big. But don't concentrate on the wrist. If you focus only on the bone, you will miss all that heavenly taper. Here is the truth. A small wrist is not a curse. It is an optical multiplier. Think about a sledgehammer. The handle is thin, the head is massive. That contrast is exactly what makes it look heavy, what makes it look dangerous. If you have thick wrists, you need massive 20-inch arms just to look average. But if you have skinny wrists, you possess a rare advantage. You don't need to add 5 inches of mass. You just need to build the taper. And the taper lives right here, in the forearm, not in the wrist. This works because when someone looks at your arm, their eye follows a simple path. Shoulder, to bicep, to forearm, to wrist. If that line is straight, you look fragile. Change that final segment, and the arm looks solid. It's called the Popeye effect. To create this structure, we need to build 2 things: size and detail. We will use 3 visual zones. Let's build the hammer. Before I give you the exercises, let's quickly break down the biomechanics. I want you to understand the structure. The forearm is messy. It has over 20 muscles tangled together. Most people overcomplicate this, doing endless wrist rolls that barely move the needle. But we aren't here to waste time. We are here to build structure, to get that heavy, functional look. We only care about the 3 visual zones that actually matter. The top for width, the underside for thickness, and the texture for vascularity. When you build these 3, you don't just look stronger. You actually possess a vice grip that matches the size. For each zone, I'll give you the single best movement. Pick 1 exercise per zone, and you're done. Let's start with the width. First, we build the mountain peak. This is the brachioradialis. If you look at your arm from the front, this is the slope that connects your elbow to your wrist. If this is flat, your arm looks like a stick. To grow it, we lift with a vertical grip. For calisthenics, use the towel pull-up. Throw a towel over the bar. Grab both ends tight. Now perform pull-ups. If you aren't strong enough yet, just hang and pull halfway up. Because the grip is vertical and unstable, your forearm has to fire at full capacity just to keep you from shaking. If you have weights, do the thumbless reverse curl. Most people wrap their thumb. Don't. Take the thumb out of the equation. Force the forearm to cup the weight. Lift fast, but fight gravity on the way down for 3 seconds. Feel the tension, the burn. Now it's time for the underside, the meat that fills your sleeve. These are the mighty flexors. To grow them, we need a deep stretch that most people never get. In our training, use our dragon technique, the false grip. Instead of hanging from your fingers, curl your entire wrist over the bar. Now hang with your arms straight. You are supporting your entire body weight purely on your forearm flexors. It is brutal, but effective. If you have weights, the king of thickness is the behind-the-back wrist curl. Why behind the back? Because standing tall allows the weight to roll all the way down to your fingertips. This creates a massive stretch you literally cannot get from the front. Let it roll down. Curl the fingers, then snap the wrist. We have the size. Now we need the details. We want that dense, veiny steel cable look that signals dangerous grip strength. We get this by attacking the fingers directly. We get this by focusing on the fingers directly. For weaponized hands, do fingertip push-ups. I have even done 1 finger before, but I am strong and you are currently weak. Get into a push-up position, then rise up onto your fingertips. Use your knees if you need to start with. Imagine you are trying to pass electricity through the floor. This builds massive density in the tendons and makes your veins look like a road map. If you're in the gym, grab 2 weight plates. Put them together, smooth side out. Now push them together with all your chi. Do not curl your fingers under. Man up. Use only the crushing power of your thumb and fingertips. This fries the intricate muscles in the hand and deep forearm that normal lifting misses. Pick 1 exercise from each zone. Do them twice a week at the end of your workout. That is how you fix the frame. The whole arm changes. But remember, big arms are only one part of the puzzle. If you want to know the 3 muscles that signal danger instantly to anyone looking at you, watch the next video.